What is going on, everyone? Mega here with a new mm, mm, Python tutorial video. Now, in this tutorial, we're not going to be adding any new commands. It's mainly just going to be updating two of the previous commands that we did. I'm going to go into more info on it once we have PyCharm open. But yeah, it's just going to be basically updating these two commands. So let's get into it. Okay. Okay, and so here's our our PyCharm. Basically the commands that we're gonna be updating. If we could scroll down here, we'll look at, let's see, where is it? Ah, here we go. Our delete command. Currently it's set so that anybody can use the command, and we don't want that. We only want people who have the manage messages permission to be able to access this command. So we're going to be fixing that, as well as we're going to be going into this command right here, and we're going to be updating this so that we can we can make it so that it does a second background task within this function, to make it so that this background task also makes it so that it's not just playing something, it's also watching something. So, which is not that difficult to do. So first off, what we need to do is let's tackle the management messages. In order to fix this, it's very simple. We're just gonna go right here, and underneath the first decorator, we're gonna create another decorator, and we're gonna do commands dot has permissions, and as you can see, it's right there. And we're gonna do manage underscore messages equals true. And what this is gonna do is that it's gonna check if the user has a manage message, has the permission to manage the manage messages. If the user doesn't have the permission to manage message, the command isn't gonna work. Now I can't actually test this out because obviously I have the manage messages permission, so in my server, so I can't really like show this to you, but I've already verified that this does work. As well as this second command that we're gonna do, I can't actually show it to you because, well, I could show it to you, but you would have to wait a while. So I feel it would be better than having you just wait around for this to work. It's better if you just see it in person. And so that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna go into game presence, and underneath until ready, we're gonna add we're gonna create a variable called counter, and I'm gonna set it to 0. And then I'm gonna go down to the while loop, and then we're gonna add an if statement to it, and we're gonna do if counter is less than or equal to 3, and then we're gonna move everything into this if statement. Okay, and so what this is going to do is that it's going to anytime that the counter is less than less than or equal to 3, it's going to do these commands right here, which is going to change the precedent, which is going to change the game on the on the bot, and it's going to do that for every 15 seconds. And in fact, I actually might be able to show you it in action, because it's only 15 seconds. I didn't realize that it was shorter than I anticipated. Okay, and so next we need our else statement. Else. Oh wait, actually I forgot. We need to add something. We need to increment the counter, because if we don't increment it, it's never going to change. It's never going to do the else else loop. Okay, else if counter is greater than 3. So once counter equals 4, it's going to do this one. And then we're going to do activity, which is a variable, equals Discord dot activity. And we're going to do name equals, and this is a this is one of those parameters that you have to do it without a space. And I'm going to just do anime. So it says that it's watching anime. And we're going to do type equals, and this is another parameter that you have to do it without a space. Discord dot activity type dot watching. Now I know other than watching, there's some other ones, like I know there's Spotify and there's also streaming. I haven't tried those yet. From what I hear, you may need a Twitch account to get streaming to work, but I've never tried it before. I need to try and get that to work, but I know this, but I know I've been able to get watching to work. Okay, and for next thing is we're going to do exactly what we did before. Await client dot change presence, and instead of what we did before, we're going to do activity equals activity. What's this? Oh. There we go. I don't know why that happened. And then just so you can see that it doesn't change, I'm going to set it to sleep for an hour. So it's going to keep this going to stay watching anime for an hour. But we're obviously not going to be, this video it isn't obviously going to be an hour. But you'll be able to see that it stays like that. I'm going to set it for 3600, which is an hour. And then after that hour, we're going to reset the counter to 0. Okay, and that's going to do it. And so now, as I said, I can't test out the delete command, but I know, but I've already verified that it works. So, but other than that, we can check the game command though, the game background text rather. Okay, so it's currently playing Skyrim. Okay, and now it's playing Rabbit. So now it's on index 1. Because bots count starting from 0. Okay, it's back to Skyrim, so now it's on index 2, so the next one should be watching. Oh, and it's playing. Okay, so I miscounted. So now it's on 2. So now the next one should be watching. And there we go, watching anime. And that's pretty much how you set it to do watching. And as I said, I can't test the second command because it's because I have the delete messages for permission. So yeah, and that's gonna do it for this video. As I mentioned it in my previous video, if you didn't watch it, I'm currently working on a visual novel engine for Unity, and that's why like videos are gonna be coming out at a slower rate. So but I'm pretty much almost done with that. And if you guys want access to it, be sure to let me know. So yeah, this has been Mega, and I will see you again next time.